Thank you, Shashank, and thank you, Nitin. So, good afternoon, everyone. Today it's very interesting topic: rise of criminal behavior in youth during the pandemic. Actually, if you will look at the newspapers, it is showing that crime is decreased nowadays due to the lockdown. But it's not true. Why? Because the after impact of this lockdown will be like worsen than we are right now thinking of. So rise of criminal behavior, and we should know about how crime generate in kids, and then how it will become recently you have seen the encounter of Mr. Vikas Dubey, and these things are happening nowadays, like the origin of the criminal behavior. So what is psychological perspective to know about the criminal behavior in
Ma'am,
youth?
please start the presentation.
Yes, you can't hear me? Right now you are able to see?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible. It
Okay,
is on
before
the
that
first,
it was not visible, I think so.
no, it was visible. You are on the first slide only, introduction slide.
Okay, okay. So now you are able to see and hear my voice?
Yeah, it is audible.
Fine, fine. So all of you have heard this case. One female elephant was killed by some naughty fellow and giving this pineapple, and there are some crackers inside it, and they were using these to save their fields, but it is deliberately they have done without knowing what is happening, what will happen with that. So how a person will be so brutal to the animals, to the anybody else? So just think about your friends in the childhood, or think about your own childhood. So many kids during childhood, they have some aggressive feeling towards the animals. So कोई भी किसी को मार सकता है easily, like they have no empathy for the other person, other animal pain. So think about the childhood experiences, the brutality we are gaining from our families, and we are putting our displacement of anger on the others. Like sometimes few have the signs, they were throwing the things on the others, like कोई remote फेंक देता है. If you remember कि outburst of anger reflects in some different ways. So criminal minds actually inherited values in the childhood experiences. So one person who will become criminal have some background and diagnostic criteria in their childhood. So trapped at home, you can see few cases have been increased in the houses, like domestic violence increased, violation of the right to live with dignity, dowry harassment, cyber crime increased markedly level, rape, attempt to rape increased, and it's not about how much is reported in the police stations. It's about how much people are getting worsen things at home. So they are exposure to the economic breakdown. There is no work to do outside. Maximum people are on the internet, and maximum like the youth, adolescent are on the internet without knowing anyone will taking their data. Like there is a cyber cell of India has given a report on children are using pornography on the mobile phones. So nowadays students are against their parents, they don't want to listen to them. They will say ki we need freedom and we need privacy. They don't want to share their like personal things with their parents, and it will like somewhere anybody can trap them. So this is trapped at home, so they are more vulnerable if there is a lack of communication. You will remember this international case of Floyd George. I can't breathe campaign was against that policeman. So how a policeman can be so brutal? So criminal behavior doesn't mean a criminal itself. It can be done by any person who are violating the rules and regulations, whether it's a policeman and whether it's a common man or anybody else. So I recommend all of you to please go and watch this movie, The Stanford Prison Experiment. It was done by Professor Jim Bardo. He's a psychologist of Stanford University, and he had conducted this experiment in the university campus. So what happened? He took 24 students for this experiment in the basement of the university. He made them to play the role of the this like the warden of the jail, and fewer like the prisoners in the same room. So what happened? What was the like? He has planned this experiment for 14 days. But what happened in those days, that on the day of sixth day, it should be stopped. what happened? If you will give power to someone, they will become more brutal. You will see the example of Hitler. You will see the example of any other any other person who is like that. And they have power and they will use this power to torture the others. Even sometimes policemen also. Two South Indian people were also killed recently in South, and they were having some mobile shop. So many things are happening. It's like the brutality from the criminal mafia gangster. And even one student killed their principal in Yamuna. So these cases have some inherent basis in the power, getting the power and how to use this power. So please go for this movie, The Stanford Prison Experiment. The guards become abusive and the prisoners begin to show signs of extreme stress and anxiety. So out of anxiety, they will become more abusive to the guards, and guards will become more abusive, and they start beating their own, like the fellows. So these are few quotations. First, when you don't respond to bad behavior, you get more of it. So it's like कि अन्याय सहन करने वाला अन्याय करने वाले से भी ज्यादा बुरा होता है. I'm telling you, I am doing some researches on the child abuse from past 2 years in the school students in the nursery, UKG, LKG, and first, when they are showing some symptoms which are abnormal in the kids. And for example, one boy had some bad touch to the girl, and teacher will simply say कि मैम इसने bad touch किया, ये गलत होगा, इसके parents गलत होंगे, and so many words they will use for the kid. So nobody is thinking about what the child is going through. Even he is not sexually activated, but that time might be the boy is sexually assaulted by someone. So 2 3 cases I have found. One case, someone told me that one boy had, this is one case study. Someone shared ki ma'am, there is one boy and he hates his mother and mother's family. So maternal family se bahut nafrat karta hai, like the nana nani and mama mami. Then simply I told, he's preparing for NEET right now. I told that lady whether you have ever asked that the child was abused in the childhood, like near and dear ones in the mama's family or the mother's family. That's why he hates his mother. So she told, no, I didn't remember. But one day, what happened? There is some problem with his NS, and we took him to the medical examination. But we fought for to the doctor. उन्होंने डॉक्टर से लड़ाई कर ली कि ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, इट इज इम्पॉसिबल, आवर फैमिली इज वेरी सेफ. But when I told her, and then she reminded that particular time, and she told, oh my god, we तो just against the doctor, and he told the same thing कि इसके साथ किसी ने कुछ गलत किया है, and he was a boy. So that's why people are not taking very seriously these things from the boys itself, and then it will be reflected and manifested in the behavior of boys to the girls, and then these rape cases happened in the society. So it is like the person who being first raped will do the rape in the society. So everyone gets frustrated and aggressive, and I would sooner take my aggression out on a guitar than on a person. Paul Weller. So aggression, you can put it in a constructive way. Few people are like distracted by the society. They will also abused by the society, but they will become some like the good people for the others. So they are using this in a constructive and positive way. So criminal behavior ko, they will exchange their energy into some constructive way, like in sports, like in some creativity, dance. Where there is a fear, there is a aggression. J. Krishnamurti. So this person Krishnamurti nowadays is trending for the secret society, this Annie Besant secret society, Illuminati and all. So where there is fear, there is aggression. Fear is the actually basis for the aggression. We want to overcome our fear, and we will become more aggressive and violent and violating the rules of the society. If someone hurts you, cry cry a river, then build a bridge and get over it. So Joyce Meyer has given very beautiful example. If someone hurts you, you can cry and then build a bridge, and don't take revenge actually, and get over it. And I have given this model for all of you. This first, fear. If someone is fearful from failure or something else, something to lose or something to get, or what will happen in future aspirations, so the person will be in the pain due to some original factors, some practical things and some psychological things, like in the thinking and mind they have made so many bridges of कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा बना लेते. There is a negativity ज्वालामुखी की तरह, there is volcano of the negative thoughts. So pain will lead to the frustration. Frustration is a something which is you and goal, and there is some barrier. So we want to get rid of that barrier. Like you have some economic problem, the person have some chances to go for some other kind of criminal behavior to break that barrier. So frustration will lead to the rage going in their body. So rage will lead to the manifestation of rage into aggression and then violence, and it will lead to the criminal behavior. The three phases during pandemic. These phases have been studied in European Europol. Phase 1, the current situation. COVID-19 related criminality, especially cybercrime, fraud, and counterfeiting, have followed the spread of the pandemic throughout India. What is the current situation? You will see criminality, specifically cybercrime, increased, fraud, and counterfeiting. Like the cheap goods are available in the market, replacement of this. Whatever the mask you have heard, China has provided some counterfeiting goods to the other countries for getting money. Some false kit to test the COVID-19. So these are the like the crime economic, you can say, to make their economy strong at any cost and making the other person dying with this. So have followed the spread of the pandemic throughout India. Phase 2, midterm outlook. Current situation, the first situation where we have totally locked down. So that time, cybercrime, fraud, and counterfeiting is the only main issue. And then second phase, when we are giving some ease to the lockdown, measuring will see criminal activity returns to previous level, featuring the same type of activities as before the pandemic. So money laundering and smuggling have been increased. You will see about the alcohol smuggling has been increased. Phase 3, the long-term impact. Organized crime is highly adaptable and has demonstrated the ability to extract long-term gains from crises, such as the end of the Cold War or the global economic of the 2007 and 8. So organized crime planner will take advantage of this time to make other person vulnerable to do the crime. So this last phase I need to explain more because it is about to come in India also. Organized crime is highly adaptable and has demonstrated the ability to extract long-term gains from crises such as the end of the Cold War and the global economic of the 2007 and 8. So unemployment also lead to the vulnerability to commit the crime. Communities, especially vulnerable groups, tend to become more accessible to organized crime during times of crisis. So you understand this time trapped. I have given you example in the news. Anybody can be trapped at their home. I'm giving you one case study example. Recently, one girl came to me. She was under the impression of some outsider, a drug addict. And what happened? She used to give drugs to the entire family near to my place. So timely it was checked and like made the criminal to the police, and she was saved on the time. But the mentality of that child is giving drugs to the entire family for getting some gain from the other. So economic hardship makes communities more receptive to certain offers, such as cheaper counterfeit goods or recruitment to engage in criminal activity. So you can see this is the time when recruitment to engage in criminal activities are going on. So mafia type organized crime groups are likely to take advantage of a crisis and persistent economic hardship by recruiting vulnerable young people, engaging in loan sharking and extortion and racketeering. So group making in a destructive way is more like vulnerable this time. Organized crime does not occur in isolation, and the state of the wider economy plays a key role. A crisis often results in changes in consumer demand for types of goods and services. So you will say so many like the companies who used to make the clothes were making now PPE kit and this mask and etc. So every company has launched their own mask, whether it's N95 or not. They won't care, but they have to put the something in the market. Antisocial
Ma'am,
behavior. Yes.
I'm very sorry to interrupt. Shashank here. Everyone, please close your cameras if possible because it is creating some nuisance. Please close the camera, everyone. Okay, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Sorry,
Thank you.
sorry to
So
interrupt.
yeah, it's okay. So antisocial behavior. Antisocial behavior, where it starts, like anybody can't think, I will see a person of 32 years old is committing crime, 17 years old is committing crime. So where it starts, so you should know from it start, it has been started. So why we are going back to the, like the Sigmund Freud said, the personality development at the 4 to 5 years of age, when a person like control their toilet during that age, when toilet training is being given by the parents and grandfather, grandmother. So that time, if kids were for example were thinking about कि why they pressurize the kid कि आपने टॉयलेट गलत जगह कर दिया, you are not a good child, उसको उल्टा सीधा बोलना स्टार्ट कर देते, so the mind is filled with the negative thoughts. And what will happen, the child will start controlling their toilet, and it that child will become a antisocial person, might be an introvert, so surely introvert person in future. So you will just think about your childhood, if you are being tortured by your parents for some bedwetting or something else. So your behavior is like you will not trust anyone to share your emotions easily to the other person. So antisocial behaviors are actions that harm or lack consideration for the well-being of others. They won't think about the well-being of the other person. Well-being is the subjective happiness of the person. It has also been defined as any type of conduct that violates the basic rights of another person, and any behavior that is considered to be disruptive to others in the society. So violates the basic rights of the another person, violating this, and it is called antisocial behavior. Related disorder. You should know not all the antisocial behavior is come under one category, that is antisocial. There are different kind of disorders under this category. ODD, oppositional defiant disorder. It is, it has been observed from in the child 6 to 8 years of the age. What these kind of kids will do: disobedient to authority figures. And what are the symptoms? Antisocial behavior, impulsivity, and self harm also. Next, antisocial personality disorder. It is started at 8 years. A mental health disorder which disregard for others. Symptoms: antisocial behavior, manipulativeness, and irresponsibility. Here you can say manipulativeness, they are liars also, big liars. They are taking advantage and telling so much lies to the parents, to the teachers, to the peer group. Next, alcohol abuse. All age groups. There is no specified age group. Anybody can start it. Like in Gurgaon, there is one child, Professor Ravindran has studied. He's a great trainer of all the counselors. He told from 4 years, if bar is available in the house, the child can start. And what parents did, they have changed so many like the supportive staff from the कि driver पी लेता है या फिर कोई supportive staff है वो उनकी बोतलें खाली करे, but it was their own child who were using the alcohol at the age of 4 years. Symptoms: antisocial behavior, dependence, and craving for that, and they will be dependent. So there are withdrawal symptoms. अगर उनसे वो चीज छुड़वा दी जाए तो they will become more aggressive and craving for that particular thing. So alcohol abuse and drug abuse, you can say, any other addiction will come under this category. Now gaming disorder is coming under this category. PUBG game is also. One boy came to me, he told me कि he was about to cut his vein. क्या उसने धमकी दे दी कि whether you will come on my death. He blackmailed his father कि मुझे ये गेम खेलने के लिए पूरा दिन फोन ही चाहिए, because this is also addicted. Next, conduct disorder. Persistent, antisocial, defiant, deceitful, and violent behavior in children and teen. Conduct disorder को आप कह सकते हैं कि जो भी जो whatever whosoever violate the rules, and there is simple antisocial behavior, they will become in a grouping. They will join the crime without even thinking why to violate the rules, why to, and they are thinking कि वो help करते हैं अपने friends की. So there is nothing like help in their groups. It is like the antisocial behavior which is coming from driving force from within. Sociopathy, a mental disorder causing dysfunction in thinking, perceiving, and relating to others. Symptoms: antisocial behavior. Sociopathy में the person can't understand the emotions of the others. उनको हमेशा ही नेगेटिव लगता है कि the other person will make something against me, वो मेरे ऊपर हंस रहे हैं, वो मेरे अगेंस्ट कुछ प्लानिंग बना रहे हैं. So it is like a sociopathy. They won't look like this. You see this picture. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Psychopath. Psychopath, easily you can see a person from their body language. Sociopaths, you will never have any idea about the person from their body language, whether they will become a criminal. Giving you one constructive way to show their aggression. Comedy is a socially acceptable form of hostility and aggression. Imagine कि हमने मजाक में बोला था. So hostility at workplace with the comedy, like मजाक किया था, कुछ ऐसे बोल दिया था. I was just joking syndrome इसको बोला जाता है. That is what comics do, stand the world upside down. So ये चीजें you can see कि our media is also responsible for this. Traits. First, कौन कौन से कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं किसी भी क्रिमिनल में या क्रिमिनल बिहेवियर जिसमें शो होता है. First, impulsive, thrill seeking. The person is very impulsive, they can't control, they are very reactive actually to the situation, they won't respond. Lack of empathy and guilt. There is no empathy to the other person, they won't feel the pain of the other person, and there is no guilt after committing it. They can't experience emotional highs or lows that normal people do. They are neutral. They won't feel high and low emotions. Like कभी कभी बहुत रोने का, ऐसा नहीं होता. They are look like actually stable in controlling their emotions. Behavior: early, deceitful, manipulative, superficial charm, storytelling, low suicide rate. Their behavioral problems are like this. बहुत manipulative होते हैं, बहुत झूठ बोलते हैं, superficial charm, and they have created their own chakravyuh around them. Storytelling also, they enjoy this thing to tell the others, to show their power. So जो inferiority complex होता है अपनी लाइफ का, उसको दूर करने के लिए भी कई लोग अपनी पावर दिखाते हैं. Like Hitler had shown, he was suffering from some inferiority complex, and he has shown this to the whole Germany and Nazism. Destructive outcome: repeated criminal activity. Substance abuse is one part, it is comorbidity with one thing. Inability to sustain personal relationship. They will change so many friends, like there is no stability in maintaining relation with one. They will fight with their family members. Everywhere is a destructive relationship. Causes: this is very important, and I have studied for the simple, like the common man. During lockdown, the level of B12 and vitamin D is deteriorate. So please be careful, and hopefully if you want to lesser down your aggression, it is a guaranteed research. I have already completed micronutrition therapy with my patients. So you can write down a small diet plan, so it will help the person who is very much aggressive. So students, please make this. See the structure of the neuron, and whatever neuron wants, you have to provide the micronutrition to the neuron to your nervous system. So you will provide some basic biological diet to the cells, and you will get impact on your behavior, and you will search for neuroplasticity also, you will get ample of good result. So biological factors also responsible. The person who is very much negative due to their parents, due to their environment, due to their even one comment of the teacher also change the life of a person. So these factors will make the person vulnerable towards the antisocial behavior, and overthinking will take their nutrition consumed in a negative destructive way. And without nutrition, the mind is like that, always attracted towards the negative part of the life. They won't focus on the positive. आपने सुना भी होगा, आप किसी के लिए 100 बातें अच्छी करो, they won't recognize your good part. But if you will say something against them, they will revise this word till end. मतलब मरते दम तक भी वो बातें याद रखी जाती है. Giving you example of Mahabharata, अंधे का अंधा said by Draupadi. So these things are like कि ये हमारे माइंड में, हमारे ब्रेन में the one लाइक मेमोरी चिप, वो पूरी रिवीजन के लिए उसमें डाल दी जाती है, फ्लैशबैक्स आते रहते हैं. So the person who is more vulnerable are against their own conditions. Second is family problems. Lee Robbins, 1966. Divorce, conflict, inconsistent discipline, parental conflicts, in parenting style, alcoholic parents. So these things also related to the family issues which make the person vulnerable towards the antisocial behavior. Childhood abuse and neglect. 50% greater arrests among those who were neglected from the parents. 100% greater arrests among those who were physically abused. So you will see both these conditions make the person more vulnerable towards this. And if we will help them at the initial stage, it will become prevention of the crime in the society. Treatment. First, seeking medical care when it is required to take the medical care. Might harm yourself or others. अगर कोई इंसान खुद को harm कर सकता है, suicidal है या दूसरों को harm कर सकता है, the person is vulnerable to harm others or to himself or herself. They need emergency help. Make an appointment to see doctor if you have uncontrolled anger. This is first sign. Feel isolated also. Become anxious in social situations. Experience problems that affect your work or relationship. So if you will experience those kind of problems which affect your work and relationships, you should meet a doctor. And we should not fill our mind with toxins. There is one case. I'm giving you some mental disorder also lead to the suicide, like Buradi Kand, if you remember. 12 people hanged themselves without any reason, without external factor. One person who is having some psychosis disorder, shared psychosis, मतलब अपनी बीमारी को दूसरों में भी डाल दिया. So shared psychosis, and under the hallucination and delusional disorder, he made other people कि वो हमें बचा लेंगे, and you will do the content analysis जो हम लोग dialogue analysis करते हैं. So you will see what is the mental state of that person. He stopped talking to anybody else nearby his family. And after the Buradi case, one of my known called me up and told me, ma'am, please help me, my father want us to do mass suicide. And that was a shocking news कि एक को किया, then media has put this in the messages, and the person who is vulnerable, तो जिसके अंदर थोड़ी भी टेंडेंसी होती है उसके वो बीज का पेड़ बन जाता है. उसको थोड़ी सी नमी मिली, द पर्सन हैज डन दिस, तो हम लोग भी कर सकते हैं, और हमारी भी तो बहुत बुरी सिचुएशन. बट the man and the family saved on time because she called me up on time. So I did e-counseling from the phone only. I called up her father. I made them to go to the psychiatrist. He was like under the treatment, and there are some biological and chemical changes in the brain. So don't worry, it doesn't mean कि कुछ psychopathy हो गई है. तो ट्रीटमेंट में क्या क्या चीजें हम यूज करते हैं? फर्स्ट इज साइकोथेरेपी. Psychotherapy, there are so many techniques depending upon the person to person, based upon their medical history, family history, and you will say psychotherapy using the psychoanalysis, free association test, hypnotherapy, and client-centered therapy. So many therapies were using, and being a like expert, and so many years you are working with the criminal psychology, so you will be easily making a plan mix of all the therapies for the person. Then the counseling will make the person to be sustain those changes which they want to do in their life. CBT, cognitive behavior therapy. First change should be made in their thinking, then some behavioral aspects, and this is the best therapy nowadays using for maximum problems. Then family therapy, they need support of the family also. Then group psychotherapy is used in the juvenile some जैसे बाल सुधार गृह जैसी जगह होती है, वहां पर ग्रुप साइकोथेरेपी डिपेंडिंग अपॉन मेकिंग अ ग्रुप, क्लस्टर बनाए जाते हैं उनके एक तरह के ट्रेड्स वाले लोगों के. स्किल डेवलपमेंट, they should need some option to do something else in their life so that they will use their energy in some constructive way. Emotional regulations, the training for keeping their emotions on track. They should not be reactive, they should work upon their reaction time, and response करना उनको सिखाया जाता है. You should respond in a situation, not to be very reactive, and impulsivity पे control करना. Forgiveness, because they have so much revenge in their mind, सो रेवेंज का सीधा सीधा ही ट्रेनिंग होता है फॉरगिवनेस एंड माइंडफुलनेस मेडिटेशन, बी इन प्रेजेंट, because they were guided by their past experiences and future aspirations. There is only one thing from everyone, past and future. So present is missing, which you can enjoy at this moment. Also you can enjoy this presentation to know something about criminal behavior. Micronutrition therapy, yes, micronutrition, your diet is actually guiding your behavior. जैसा खाए अन्न वैसा होए मन. Giving you one example, 3-4 years back there is one road rage happened in civil lines Delhi. One son of some MLA made one person died on the road. He put his car on his body. Some accident happened, like road rage outburst. So mayonnaise is one factor which is guiding our aggression. You should be very much aware the content of mayonnaise in any of the pizza, burger, and anything else make us impulsive. So you left the mayonnaise for 20 days and see the difference in your behavior, in your aggression. You will be able to control your emotions also, and you will get good decisions. So micronutrition always help. Not to getting some nutrition, but sometimes you have to leave something. So few parents ask me कि मैम हम तो घर पे बनाते हैं, so there is no need to change ना, हम तो बाहर का खाते नहीं. मिलते. It doesn't mean कि बाहर का खाते हैं. Fast food means which is without resistance. You will eat it immediately, like chips, namkeen, even bakery items. So whatever is addicted and you are eating it, जिसको जल्दी जल्दी खाते हैं, and you can't resist to stop your mouth for something crunchy. Crunch is related to the aggression outburst on some crunch. So please avoid these things. Micronutrition work upon this. And micronutrition, I would like to tell you one more thing, like the multivitamins and taking proper sunlight for vitamin D, and banana for potassium. You can take this coconut water twice in a week, not more than that, but banana you can take daily, and you will see the difference in your your behavior, your decision making. And there is one serotonin intake in Ayurvedic. You will write down, there is a poppy seeds. It is called khaskhas. It will increase the serotonin in the brain, happy hormone, so that you will avoid the negative thinking. Vitamin B12 is correlated with negative thinking, and the vitamin D, which will make you to consume less calcium. So please take care of your health also to prevent it. Thank you very much. Any question? You can download the Dr. Liberate from Play Store, and you can ask me on my private chat room. And there is some any of the psychologists you can contact even without paying a single penny on Dr. Liberate. It is free of cost. You can talk to them, see the profile, check the doctor, and you can put your query in a public profile. Change your name if you don't want to like tell your name. Please change your profile, put your number, you will get OTP, and hypothetical name you can put, because so many patients are putting the hypothetical ID on this Dr. Liberate, and you can ask the questions to the ample of doctors, and whatever you will find the answer, it will be very helpful to you. Thank you very much. Any question? Question? Any questions, students? Not able to hear you.
I would like to ask if there are any formal courses relating to forensic psychology, so that after gaining such kind of an information, we could professionally practice this thing. We could incorporate it in our practice.
Yeah, actually, criminal behavior specific in the psychology. If you are doing masters of psychology in a general psychology, you can opt for research topic in the field of criminal behavior, like I did during my MPhil on the regulation of emotions, and with this forensic lab training on lie detector testing. So my specialization will become automatically in the forensic and criminal behavior, because I was interested and my research is related to that. So in psychology, no need for the specific training, but there are courses in the Gujarat forensic psychology. There is a university. I will check and I will let you know. You mail me on drkaverichauhan@gmail.com.
Sure,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Specialization is also there in forensic psychology.
Yes,
Okay.
I think there is masters in forensic
Yeah,
psychology
masters
in
in forensic
GFSU.
psychology. Even if
Yeah.
you are not going and you are expert in therapy, you can opt for this as a short-term courses from some universities.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, I was having some technical issue. I'm very sorry I was late.
It's
Thank you
okay.
so much, and thank you for like such a lovely conversation with us, and thank you for providing us so much of information. Thank you for
Welcome.
coming today.
Welcome.
Thank you, everyone. I think we should disperse. Thank you so much.
Thank you, students.